Are you gonna hold her?
Oh, you're holding your sister.
Big boy.
Look. Smile. Look at Daddy.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Oh, this is a moving picture. You can just act normal.
You like holding your baby?
Yeah.
She's really little, isn't she?
Yeah.
She's smaller than the babies at school, isn't she? Did you tell your friends at school that you're a big brother?
Yeah.
Yeah? Look at how tiny she is.
Yeah.
What's she doing? She's squeaking?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's getting hungry, but she doesn't want to wake up.
It's getting hungry. It doesn't wake up.
Yeah, she's got to wake up so she can eat.
Yeah.
She doesn't eat like you do.
No.
No, she doesn't have any teeth. What do you think, huh?
Think you want a new diaper?
What do you think of this baby?
Wake up.
Yeah. Well, the nurse is going to come in a few minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, because baby Katie doesn't want to wake up.
No.
No. We tried. She just wants to sleep.
Yeah.